And I came to Vivix Credit Solutions to improve my credit. And overall deletion ratio now was 88%, which I had 33 problems with my credit score. 29 of them I've gotten deleted over less than a year's time. My beginning credit scores for Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax were 559, 569, and 583. As of today, less than a year later, now my Experian is 681, which is a difference of 122 points. And my TransUnion is now 699, which is a difference of 130 points. And my Equifax was at 583, now it's at 704, which is a difference of 121 points. Now, my total improvement of my three scores is 373 points, which is an average about 122 or so per score. I'm actually very happy with the situation. I'm glad I was suggested to come to Vivix. A friend suggested me to come here originally, but he gave me the wrong name and the wrong business address, and I called and they suggested me over to you guys. So that was actually in a bad way, but in a good way. It was a very good thing to happen.